Is your sink sprayer leaking? Don't call a plumber. Come on, hang out with Fred. How Fred does it, I'll show you how to get her fixed. We'll do it together. Come on, let's get it done. So what we got is this multi-faucet repair kit for your spray out hose. It's got all kinds of different quick adapters. We have a Moan. So this says it works well with Delta and other popular brands. Pretty sure it said that Moen was one that is listed. It's got the different adapters identified on the back here. Yeah, so there's a Moen. All right, so what we got here on this end, and I took this apart once already just to see what we've got, if it was just a washer replacement or what. One thing you notice, if you can see, there's just a lot of green buildup in here, just corrosion. Probably a couple of years ago, I took this apart and just cleaned all that corrosion out, cleaned that screen off, cleaned the inside out here, and it was fine. That solved the initial drip that we were having. But now we're probably, it's probably been 4 or 5 years. Now we're a few years later, and this whole washer piece is toast. So you know what? We may get lucky. Let me see what's in that kit. I thought that was all, and maybe it is one piece that doesn't come off, but now that it's so rotten, it's all come apart. But that's why it's totally leaking now. Let me see if that kit has a washer in it. Maybe it's that simple. Well, it does not have a screened washer, but it does have this black washer. The diameter is damn near perfect. Let's see if it'll thread on there. This might get us by. Just a temporary fix till we can see if I can buy that screened washer replacement. Like I say, when I took this apart the first time, I really thought that was all one piece and I had to buy the whole hose. But the universal kit's got so many different ends, doesn't have an end that exactly fits that. So let's see what we got here. Let's see if we have solved the leak. I can't get it up, but boy, that sure looks okay to me. Well, I'll be darned. See, a lot of these home projects, a lot of these things are really not that difficult to fix. This whole faucet needs replaced at some point here, but the wife would probably like a whole new sink. So for today, looks like we have got our leak resolved. Let's see if I can hold this up, wiggle it around a little bit, and make sure that we get no leaking out of that. No, I think we're good. I think our project just ended right quick and easy. So I am going to take a towel here, because it's a little bit difficult to hold on to that little tiny shoulder. Just make sure I've got that good and tight. I don't know if I want to attempt pliers on it, but as long as I'm careful, just put some little bit of plier tension on there. We'll run it here again a little bit. Put it on spray. That seems to put a little extra pressure on it. It leaked more under spray. Woo-wee! Now that's the way to do her. Not every project goes that smooth, but that'll get us by till we can figure out what we're going to do with the sink. We've got the leak stopped, and we don't have to worry about rotting out the bottom of our cabinet. Thanks for coming out and working together today. If y'all like this video, check out these videos and other projects. Leave me a comment. Check out my other links in the description or subscribe for future videos from How Fred Does It. That's how we did it. Thanks all. Take care.